500 genuine BUNN filters in factory packaging, poly-bagged, as pictured. For use with 12-cup commercial coffee brewers. Beware of the cheap generic, brew-rite, etc. filters some vendors sell here instead of the genuine BUNN filters. Made in USA by Bunn-O-Matic Corporation. For use with 12-cup commercial coffee brewers. Top reviews from the United States. Beats the ones on the shelf at the grocery store and cheaper to boot. I had issues with standard 8 to 12 cup coffee filters being too short for my coffee maker. Once in a while it'd get a few grounds in the pot. I had decided that no one made a good filter anymore. Then, I saw these on Amazon. They are large commercial filters, but fit standard home coffee brewers just fine. These are big enough to reach the top of the filter cup in my Hamilton Beach Flexbrew coffee maker, 12 cup one side, K cup on the other, so there's no problem with grounds in the coffee. They look too big when you receive them, but they fit perfectly in the filter holder and reach all the way even with the top. The bottom of the filter fits well in the filter basket. I've found my favorite coffee filter source after fussing with grocery store filters for too long.